We're going to proceed now to the Resh. Our letter for the day is the letter Resh. It makes the R sound. And it combines normally with vowels, which Joseph will help us to review right now. Joseph, would you kindly pronounce the Resh with its vowels?
Ra.
Good.
Ro.
Yes.
Ru.
Yes.
Re.
Yes.
Re.
Very nice. It might be helpful to point out that in many languages, including Spanish, Kiswahili, we roll the R, so we might have a ri, or a ra, or a ro. And that occurs in Hebrew as well, but you'll hear the Israelis put it back here like ro, ra, ri. American speakers tend just to say ro, ri, ra, maybe with a little frontal ro, ri, ra. So all three pronunciations are correct, and as a Swahili speaker might be comfortable with a roll of the R and it would be proper. So be comfortable in your Resh and enjoy your Resh, Joseph. I'm going to ask you to pronounce the drills on the Hebrew letter Resh now, and I'll repeat after you.
Okay. Ra.
Ra,
Re.
re,
Ra.
ra,
Ri.
ri,
Ru.
ru,
Ri.
ri,
Ru.
ru,
Ra.
ra,
Ro.
ro,
Ra.
ra,
Ro.
ro.
Ru.
Nice.
Re.
Re,
Ru.
ru,
Re.
re,
Ro.
ro.
Ri.
Ri,
Ro.
ro,
Ri.
ri,
Re.
re. Well done. As usual, I will challenge you now with some words that include the Resh. I think we may need to move from blue to purple, because I think the last letter I have on this worksheet may be the tsadi. Oh no, I think we're going to find your Resh here. Let's try line 7. Some of these are full words, others are just partial words. Joseph, your reading challenge for the day.
Shehe.
Yes, shehe. Don't be intimidated by this vowel, just consider it like a segol.
Yes, it is Kataf's.
Segol, right.
Yes.
Kataf segol, right.
Khazar.
Khazar, nicely done.
Khazar.
Nicely done.
Khazar. The third one is
Khazarta.
Khazat. Khazat. Huh? Sorry.
We haven't learned the tav yet, but it's a ta.
Oh, that is
Khazar.
Tav. Oh, sorry.
Right.
Khazata.
Right.
Khazatava. Huh? Not so.
Shaha.
The last one.
Yeah.
Hezar Tav. Huh?
Oh,
Kezarta.
well done. Well done. Shehechazarta.
Shehezata.
Beautiful.
Shehezata.
Shehechazarta. Who has restored for us, who has returned for us. It's a word that's used in some Jewish prayers, which we can share sometime soon. Two things I noted, which are really well done, is you have a good feeling for the shva. The shva is often a clue to us to pause.
Yes.
Shehechazar ta. Shehechazar ta.
Shehezata.
Right, that shva under the resh indicates that we just pause slightly. And the other amazing thing is your chataf sagol. The whole idea of that chataf is that you glide over it very quickly. It's never accented. It's the opposite of an accent mark. It's telling us that we should flow through. So shehechazar, chazar, shehechazar, chazar. The chataf segol is under that cha, shehechazarta. And your pronunciation was spot on. Well done.
Thank you.
So, yeah. Let's try one more line to keep you going strong. How about line 8? There are no reshes here, but you have some tavs, so that makes up for it.
Pa.
Ba.
Oh, sorry. Ba.
Yeah. This is your tav with a chirik under it.
Tish.
Tish, correct.
Tish.
Tish.
Tish again.
Right.
I can't. You are.
Sorry.
Okay. Yes. Bahot.
Bachot. Correct. Now put it all together.
Okay. Zonings. The first letter, is it Tav?
Yes, sir.
But it has a dot inside. Eh?
Yeah, there's a dot inside. It's for our pronunciation, we are going with the T sound. Whether there's a dot inside or not, we'll always pronounce it T. Ta.
Okay. Tishbachot.
Tishbachot. Perfect. Then just stick your ba in front of it.
Batishbachot.
Very nice. Very nice. Batish bachot. With praise. With praises.
With praises.
Yes.
Batishbachot.
Nice work.
Thank you.